A healthy weight loss diet should be balanced and nutritious. However, diet is generally considered to be more important for weight loss than exercise. This is because it is easier to create a calorie deficit by reducing your calorie intake than by increasing your calorie expenditure through exercise. Let's start making it. Onion, 3 teaspoons. Green chili, as per your taste. Chopped tomato, 3 teaspoons. Capsicum, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Green peas, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Carrot, 30 grams. Corn, 30 grams. Beans, 20 grams. Cauliflower, 20 grams. Rice, 3 teaspoons. 4 eggs. If you want, you can use 3 white egg and 1 whole egg. Support muscle growth and repair. Eggs are a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Protein is also important for maintaining a healthy weight and metabolism. Salt, as per your taste. Chili powder, as per your taste. Chili flakes, as per your taste. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. If you are mixing ingredients that have different textures, be careful not to overmix, or you may end up with a lumpy or tough mixture. Let's start cooking. Cooking can be a rewarding experience, and it's a great way to learn about different foods and cultures. With a little practice, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. Follow the cooking procedure. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, in a slow flame only, to cook all ingredients well, till it are properly cooked. Now your meal is ready to serve. Serve with pomegranate. This meal is for weight loss. Have this weight loss meal for 1 month and you'll get fastest result.